Hello and namaste, सबैजनालाई. Welcome back to my channel. So back again with the new reaction video. Today we're gonna watch a bit different video. So it's not a music video, it's not a dance video and all. It's a public reaction video. So let's watch this video and let's see what do Indian girls thinks about Nepal. So yeah, I'm so excited to watch this video, and this video is uploaded by Quick Reaction Team. So yeah, let's just watch and let's give a react. And before starting this, if you guys are new to my channel, welcome to my channel and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Let's go. What comes to your mind when you hear
लोग थोड़े
Nepal?
से ठीक है बट हमारे इंडिया में काफी लोग हैं नेपाल के
Nepali is my friend. Actually, Nepali बोलते is they are like their eyes is छोटी छोटी है ना.
There was this cap with a huge hairs on it. So that is the first thing because I had been to Nepal. I tried that cap and all.
They are like look like a Chinese.
चाइनीज जैसे लाइक ऐसे हैं चाइनीज टाइप
Very open. And
Bro, why are you
to
laughing?
Nepal but they seem quite nice quite polite I never saw them
After watching her reaction, I don't think
as in shouting or yelling
That's
at
an
someone.
honest
From their
answer.
appearance is like sweet and something like that. Like they're like very friendly when they talk.
I just know that they're really sweet and they're very gracious. खाना बहुत अच्छा बनाते हैं. That's always a plus.
नेपाल के
Okay.
लोग they are very frank. Actually ऐसा नहीं है. हर people
What do you
हर
think
people's
about
अलग अलग
people
है
of
ना?
Nepal?
And some people are very dirty and some people are very cute.
I think they're short, they have small eyes, and I think they have
Why?
flawless skin.
I think they are very sweet
Soft
very
and
innocent.
small eye,
That's
small
what
eye.
I think.
I couldn't stereotype,
Why?
but I think they would be good because their food is good.
Boys in Nepal.
वो भी चाइनीज ही है
What do you think about boys from
Not so
Nepal?
No views about boys there.
ठीक ही लगते हैं
They look all same. सब same ही लगते हैं वहाँ पे तो.
I don't know how to
सब सेम कसरी भयो बे?
answer that. I have not gone. I have no clue. I hope they're good.
Boys, I'll say they are cute, but short in height, but they are cute and hardworking.
I haven't really talked to
No,
anyone
that's not
from Nepal,
true.
but I'm thinking they would be alright like they're in here. Better than here.
Never interacted with a Nepali boy.
More like
Why?
northeastern guys. So good. No.
No, I can't.
नेवर नहीं मुझे ठीक ही लगते हैं बट डेट नहीं करना
I don't think so because like obviously मैं उनको जानती नहीं. I've never met.
त्यस्तो नराम्रो छ र हाम्रो नेपाली केटाहरू.
वो सब सेम लगेंगे.
They don't
तो फिर
wanna
अलग भी
date.
दिखेगा ना.
यार बात करनी पड़ेगी ऐसे ऐसे सिर्फ नेपाल सुन के तो I don't have much to say.
Actually, I don't like Nepali people.
मुझे नहीं पसंद इस वजह से
If he's tall, then yes. If the guy is tall,
Why not?
I don't usually constrain people to
यस्तो
their
interview लिनुपर्ने क्या
nationalities or
हाम्रोमा
from
पनि.
where they are. So
What do you
if we
think
don't
about
match,
the Indian
so sure,
girls and
नेपाली को
boys?
तो मुझे नहीं करना बिल्कुल
I would date a Bangladeshi because I like Bengalis.
Nepal.
बेटर तो नेपाली है
Okay.
Nepal is far way better than Bangladeshi.
I like Bengali people.
बांग्लादेशी बिकॉज मैं भी बंगाली हूँ तो बंगाली चूज करूंगी
Because they are sweet, and Bangladesh people, I don't know.
काफी अलग ही उनका तो मतलब काफी वो मुझे लाइक प्रॉपर ही उनका लैंग्वेज ही अलग लगता है समझ में नहीं आता नेपाल में कुछ समझ तो आएगा
Did a guy
I
from
don't know,
Bangladesh or
Bangladeshis are
Nepal?
more introvert. I would say Nepalis are like more open.
इंडिया
Indian.
ऑब्वियसली इंडिया
Did a guy from India or Nepal?
My country.
India. Because varieties, yeah, and we are from India.
हाँ क्योंकि मैं इंडियन हूँ इंडिया ठीक लगता है बिकॉज नॉर्मली बचपन से इंडिया में ही रहे तो वही ठीक ही है
Don't feel a difference there because we have like we have a border that is connecting us, and I don't think that we're too different from them. So I wouldn't mind dating either.
They are really cute.
गर्ल्स ठीक लगती है
They're nice.
They're cute.
स्टाइलिश नहीं होती है वो बनाती है अपने आप को स्टाइलिश नहीं है
What?
बहुत सुंदर.
Stylish नहीं है रे?
I want their
Please.
skin. Please.
Girls are very
Don't say
stylish,
that.
cute, sweet, and smart also.
Yeah, in fact, those reels on Instagram, they usually have a particular style with their clothes and they're very traditional in sense. So that's cute.
Girls
course.
are pretty, but not as beauty as we find, in our North India. But yeah.
Like I've seen वो
What?
बहुत सुंदर बहुत ही
Girl, are you
no,
serious?
अलग से
I
अलग
like
से पता
their
लगता है कि हाँ,
confidence,
ये
by the
वहाँ
way.
की है, इंडिया की तो नहीं है।
नेपाली पता है भोपाल
I don't know.
I just know Kathmandu.
Kathmandu,
Name some
my
cities of
papa
Nepal.
been there. Kathmandu, and obviously there are temples I don't know the name of, but yeah. Kathmandu? I don't know. Other city like Kathmandu is I know.
Kathmandu. There is Mangameshwar. That is at the height.
वहाँ जाके फेमस फूड उनका पता नहीं मुझे क्या है।
I think
Program has an
Momos are from
Pasupati.
Nepal,
You guys
Tibetan,
come here to
cuisine लगता है
visit.
कि हाँ, तो नेपाली हो तो मोमोज ही बेचते हैं।
There's a thupka.
Momos
So
बेचते हैं?
usually places
What do
in
you
Noida
mean?
especially don't have good thupkas that I've tried. So I would want to try that.
There can be momos, there can be thupka, there can be a lot of other things also.
Nepalis do. I mean, I don't know, but they call it like momos and all are their own food, but which is not.
क्या बोलते हैं भात
It's
ऐसे
not
कुछ होता है।
momos,
माछी भात
it's
ऐसी
momo.
माछी भात आई लाइक माछी भात नेपाली
Machi bhat?
Nepali.
डिफरेंट होती है अलग अलग होती है और समझ नहीं आता।
मे बी नेपाली ऑब्वियसली वो कुछ और बोलते होंगे आई डोंट नो
नो आइडिया
आई डोंट नो नो आइडिया आई डोंट नो यार
नहीं
Celebrity नाम था no?
Nothing.
नो नॉट रियली
For sure.
nothing
हामी
attracts
त्यस्तो
me
छ।
there. Yeah, maybe because my sister have been visit to Nepal and my
हामीलाई त कति थाहा हुन्छ है इन्डियाहरूको हुन्छ नि एक्टर एक्ट्रेस उनीहरूको त कति धेरै हामीलाई थाहा हुन्छ क्या तर हाम्रो नेपालको बारेमा they don't know why अब हुन त उनीहरूको आफ्नै देशको त थाहा भएर हुँदैन अब झन् होइन
father also got there when there were floods and all. Then he got there. So yeah, I would like to visit.
Yeah, sure, I will. Because I love their culture and it's very beautiful place.
No, I don't want to stay. Stay करूँगी.
नहीं और घूम कर ही वापस आ जाऊंगी।
Like I'm staying in India.
Why you guys
Nahin,
don't
I
wanna
will not
stay?
do that. No, I'll just go.
कतिजना
and
त
stay
stay
for at
गर्नु मन
least 1 month.
लाग्छ
I'll just
many
enjoy
people
the
are
nature
here
and then I'll come back.
No, I would
And
not
this
like
is
to
boss
stay.
in
I'd
Iran,
rather
so
go
कतिजना त
explore.
they love
you know,
Nepal.
more of
To stay, it's actually in my bucket list. So Nepal does have ritualistic places to visit. So I'm not ritual in the sense that I don't really pray a lot, but I enjoy going to places which have a ritual connotation.
हाँ स्टे करना देखना चाहूंगी वहाँ के लोगों का नेचर कैसा है क्या मतलब थिंकिंग है वो सब जरूर देखना चाहूंगी।
visit though, why not?
Very
Always open to
kind.
it. I don't know about saying that. I'll be able to say only when I go and feel how it is to be there. But I know it's similar to Northeast, and I like I've been to Sikkim and all those places, and I've heard it's similar. I don't know, and I like the vibe of those places, peace and quiet, people doing their own thing. Pahad, chai, and people are really nice there.
It's just like their features and the way they talk.
Can I spot a person from Nepal by looking at them?
Nice to talk to maybe.
हाँ काफी क्योंकि उनका लुक ही थोड़ा सा होता है।
no, you won't be able to differentiate. It's very hard.
अलग से ही दिखते हैं मतलब समझ आ जाता है कि हाँ भाई
Actually,
कोई
she is
ऐसे जैसे
cute.
चाइनीज को अलग से पहचान
कति
लेते हैं
धेरै
जापानीज
जना
को अलग
मध्येमा
से
चाहिँ
पहचान
she is
लेते हैं, तो
like-
वैसे उनका भी समझ
she is
आता है
very
कि हाँ ये
cute.
होंगे तो उसी साइड से नेपाल से बट मैंने कभी ऐसे सच देखा नहीं है किसी को।
हाँ फेस वाइज ही देख के बता देते हैं आईज उनके नोज तो वो ये देख के बता ही सकते हैं कि नेपाल के ये
मैं भी देख के बता सकती हूँ कि तुम इंडिया से नहीं हो तुम नेपाल से हो वो यस्तै खालको कन्फ्युजन चाहिँ you'll have
सकते हैं आईज उनके नोज तो वो ये देख के बता ही सकते हैं कि नेपाल के ये
No. क्योंकि नेपाल के अलावा there are many states in India which do share, you know, the visual structure and how they look.
No, I can't do that.
okay
No, because I think I'll get a little confused between
of course
the
किनभने मै
Northeastern
कन्फ्युज
people and
भइरहेको छु
Nepali, so I might
नेपाली or
offend
Indian
someone, so I don't usually do that.
सिंगाड़ा हाँ of course they look similar.
similar
Figure out who is who. मैं कभी ऐसे मिली नहीं तो I don't know.
उनके आईज एंड नोज ही कॉमन ही लगता है।
she's always talking about eyes and nose oh my god
चाइल्डहुड मेमोरीज हैं एंड उनके बच्चे थे तो वो हमारे यहाँ पे वर्क करते थे तो वो बहुत डर्टी रहते थे उस टाइम पे तो मेरे को वो मेमोरीज याद है।
dirty
A lot of security guards are Nepali. They like boiled food. they
Security
don't like
guards are
masala at all.
Nepali?
They can't even have green chili. That's strange.
उनका नाक
नाक
उनके नाक थोड़े खड़े टाइप होते हैं।
There is one that I've heard that they're very traditional in
What?
the sense that, you know, like in Noida now,
Girl.
wearing any clothes that we want to, we can
उसको
wear
नाक
from
हेरै
very
भइरहेको
traditional
छु पहिला।
basis. or be it like a very modernistic basis. So I don't feel like they're very open to style. That is what I've heard. That
यो
is
भिडियो
the
हेरेर त झन्
discrimination
रिस
sort of
उठ्नु पो थालिरहेको छ
point
यार
is
मलाई
there.
Maybe Delhi food, education.
कोई आइडिया नहीं है कि वहाँ के लिए क्या चेंज करना चाहिए, बस वो चाइनीज ना देखें.
One thing you'd love to see in Nepal,
More
education.
hotels. We need more hotels there.
I don't know.
More
I don't know
hotels.
because I've been like I
It's
have
already
not
been
visited
upgraded.
there, so I can't say because
I must
ये
say.
चीज वहाँ पे नहीं है, ये चीज होनी चाहिए.
यार मेरे को भीड़ नहीं पसंद है. I like peace. I like the mountains. I like the idea of Nepal more than Delhi actually. I like peace and quiet more.
They have some kind of groupism. Like they don't want to mingle or they don't want to hang around with non-Nepali people.
I would probably want
That's
them
not
to
true.
Be more social about their culture, because being in India, I should technically know how Nepalis are, because they are literally a neighboring country, and that is really bad that I don't know.
नहीं सारे तो नहीं, लेकिन काफी लोग ऐसा लगता है कि चाइनीज ही है ये, भाई चाइनीज से ही आए.
They don't have employment. So I'd been to Bangalore and
Am I from China?
I won't say low stuff, but major of our basic stuff.
Oh my God.
Everyone was doing was Nepali. So they migrate from Nepal in view of employment to India.
We move from there.
Construction.
One thing you wouldn't want to see in
उनके
Nepal.
फूड थोड़े खराब होते हैं,
What?
खा लेते हैं.
नहीं, that's
सबसे
not
पहले
true.
नेपाल जाना
We don't
चाहूंगी.
need whatever
उसके बाद देखूंगी क्या कमी है वहाँ पे, उसके बाद वो हटाना चाहूंगी.
It's a
everything.
lot of construction after that earthquakes and all. So that is one thing that is going on.
I don't think so because their culture is different and I don't want to like change their culture or something. I don't want something to change there.
I don't think I know Nepal enough to, criticize it. But in the sense, I would say that Nepal had monarchy for a long time. So if I go by the views of monarchy, then I don't think they would be really open to democracy. And even India being a democracy has a real big issue with dealing with the terms of democracy. So maybe in a political sense, I would want them to change.
Hi guys.
One message for the people of Nepal.
And yeah, just like that. But
You are
very
so
nice,
sweet.
Very calm. Girls are really pretty over there. With pretty eyes. You guys are good, but just stay over there.
Oh, I love you guys.
नेपाल के लोग काफी अच्छे हैं, काफी स्वीट हैं, एंड मैं एक बार जरूर आना चाहूंगी और आप लोगों से मिलना चाहूंगी.
Welcome
Oh, oh,
aboard to all of the Nepalis who had been to India. Great employment and doing good.
Welcome me. Give me lots of food. I am waiting.
बुराई नहीं करी, but I love you guys. We love you.
Oh my God,
Just try
why?
to hang around
Why,
with
why,
other
why?
people as well, so they will get to know more.
सच यार उसले
I'm really sorry. So please mind मत करना. And I like Nepali peoples and मैं उनके साथ रही भी हूँ and some of my friends are Nepalis and even मेरे भाई की girlfriend भी also she is also Nepali and don't mind, okay? Love you.
I am really interested in music, so I would really love to hear indie Nepali music, especially because I've gotten to Bengali music. Being a North Indian, Bengali music is a new thing for me. So coming to other countries like Nepal or be Pakistan or be Afghanistan, so I'm into Bangladeshi music now and Pakistani music. So I would really love to know more about the culture through their music.
Like and subscribe.
Seeing this video, I realized that हुन्छ नि पाकिस्तानी सिभिलियन्सहरू हुन्छ नि मैले भिडियोहरू हेरेको थिएँ क्या उनीहरू चाहिँ एकदमै हम्बल हुने अनि त्यसपछि एकदमै नलेजेबल होइन देन इन्डियन यो भिडियो हेर्दाखेरि चाहिँ मलाई त्यस्तो लाग्यो कति धेरै क्वेसनहरू सोद्धाखेरि चाहिँ उनीहरूको त्यो हुन्छ नि त्यो एन्सर दिने तरिका नै कस्तो रिस उठ्ने तरिकाले के अब हुन त सबैजनाको आफ्नै नेचर हुन्छ तर त्यस्तो हुन्छ भन्दैमा त्यो प्याच्च पुच्च भनिहाल्ने होइन केही नलेज छैन भने चाहिँ त्यो हुन्छ नि बोलिहाल्नु चाहिँ हुँदैन इफ यु डोन्ट नो देन यु जस्ट क्यान से आई डोन्ट नो त्यो भन्दैमा चाहिँ केही पनि हुँदैन होइन मैले पाकिस्तानीकै रियाक्सन पनि हेरेको थिएँ त्यसमा चाहिँ मलाई एकदमै राम्रो लाग्यो होइन त्यसमा चाहिँ एकदमै मजाले भनिएको छ क्या तर यो भिडियो हेर्दाखेरि चाहिँ एकदमै डिसरेस्पेक्ट गरेको नै देखियो मैले चाहिँ एकदमै डिसरेस्पेक्ट गरेको छ नेपालीलाई अनि जस पाकिस्तानीहरूको रियाक्सनमा चाहिँ जस मलाई राम्रो लागेको थियो उनीहरूलाई कति धेरै नलेज पनि थाहा रहेछ क्या नेपालको बारेमा यस्तो उस्तो यस्तो उस्तो भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ होइन अब यो हेर्दा चाहिँ अलिकति कस्तो कस्तो लाग्यो हुन्छ नि एकदमै डिसरेस्पेक्ट नै अनि त्यसपछि अब उनीहरू नै कस्तो हुलिया देखिरहेछ है फर्स्टमा अनि त्यसपछि अनि भनिरहेछ नेपाली यस्तो रे नेपाली उस्तो रे नेपालीहरू फोरी हुन्छ अरे सिरियसली फोरी कसरी हुन्छ अनि त्यसपछि नेपालीहरू चाहिँ सेक्युरिटी गार्ड मा यस्तो हुन्छ नि बस्छ अरे अनि देयर इज यस्तो मोमो ओके मोमो त ल हुन्छ नि एकदमै ट्रेन्डिङ नै भइरहेछ मोमो नेपाली भनेर चिन्छ होइन अनि त्यसपछि अनि फेसको बारेमा पनि कुरा आउने क्या नेपाली पिपलहरूलाई एकदमै चिनिन्छ अरे एकदमै छिट्टै चिनिन्छ अरे कसरी चिनिन्छ भनेर भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ उनीहरूको आँखाहरू एकदमै सानो हुन्छ अरे अनि त्यही भएर उनीहरूलाई एकछिनमै चिनिन्छ अरे न न त्यसरी चाहिँ कहिले पनि चिनिँदैन किनभने सबैजनाको आफ्नै कल्चर र ट्रेडिसनल छ अनि सबैजना एकदमै डिफ्रेन्ट देखिन्छ सो तपाईँहरूले चिनै सक्नु हुँदैन यो नेपाली हो कि के हो भनेर किनभने कति नेपालीहरू त इन्डियन जस्तो पनि देख्छ त्यही भएर हुन्छ नि यु गेट झन् कन्फ्युज सो आई डोन्ट नो धेरै जस्तो मङ्गोल पिपलहरू चाहिँ इन्डियातिर बसोबास गरेको कारणले चाहिँ होला हुन्छ नि एकदमै ऊ जस्तै देखिन्छ अरे चिङ्की आई चाइनिज जस्तै देखिन्छ भनेर भन्छ द्याट्स नट ट्रु अनि पछि यस्तो हेरेँ अनि उनीहरूलाई नै यस्तो हेरेँ क्या अनि उनीहरू नै आफै राम्रो छैन अनि त्यसपछि एकदमै जज गरिरहेछ क्या यस्तो छ उस्तो छ ओ माई गड यो भिडियो हेरेर चाहिँ मलाई त्यस्तो त्यो खासै हुन्छ नि वाउ टाइपको चाहिँ भएन जे होस् हेरेँ मैले उनीहरूको आफ्नै ओपिनियनहरू दिएँ होइन यस्तो उस्तो भनेर भन्यो अनि ओके फाइन अनि यो भिडियो चाहिँ अब हाम्रो नेपालीहरूले पनि बनाउनुपर्छ होइन वाट डु नेपाली पिपल थिङ्क्स अबाउट इन्डियन भनेर भन्ने क्या अनि त्यसपछि बनाउनुपर्छ एउटा त्यस्तै खालको भिडियो अनि कस्तो चाहिँ हुन्छ भनेर जे होस् त्यही हो डिफ्रेन्स चाहिँ हामीले पाइहाल्यौँ होइन पाकिस्तानी र इन्डियनको अलिकति भास्ट डिफ्रेन्स छ किनभने यसमा चाहिँ उनीहरूले भनेको छ कि ल्याक अफ एजुकेसन भनेर होइन नेपालीलाई नै तर आई मस्ट से ल्याक अफ एजुकेसन तपाईँहरूको नै अनि किनभने केही पनि थाहा नै छैन अनि फ्याकफुक भन्दैछ क्या यस्तो उस्तो नो 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 आई डोन्ट वान्ट डेट नेपाली गाई यस्तो उस्तो भनेर भनेको छ होइन अनि त्यसपछि फेरि उसकै ब्रदरले चाहिँ अनि नेपाली केटी डेट गरेको अरे कि वाट अनि लास्टमा चाहिँ केही मेसेज छोड्न चाहनुहुन्छ भन्दाखेरि चाहिँ दे आर बिङ स्विट दे अल आर बिङ सो स्विट अनि त्यसपछि अब त्यस्तो त खासै भन्न मन छैन त्यही पनि ओके आई लभ यु भनेर भन्दो रहेछ इफ यु डोन्ट लाइक देन प्लिज से इट होइन वी डोन्ट लाइक यु गाइज भनेर भन्दा हुन्छ तर त्यही हो डिफ्रेन्स चाहिँ हामीले देख्न सक्छौँ पाकिस्तानीहरूको रियाक्सन चाहिँ एकदमै दामी होइन अनि यहाँ चाहिँ हामीले देख्न सक्छौँ चाहिँ एकदमै डिसरेस्पेक्ट सो या यति भन्दै चाहिँ अब बिदा नै लिनुपर्छ होइन धेरै नै भन्यो जस्तो लाग्यो सो भिडियो हेरेपछि चाहिँ त्यस्तो भयो जे होस् एकदमै आक्रोश भयो यो भिडियो हेरेर चाहिँ वाउ टाइपको चाहिँ भएन मलाई एकदमै हुन्छ नि ओके या दिस मच फर टुडे अनि त्यसपछि सी यु गाइज इन अपकमिङ नेक्स्ट भिडियो बाई